NQ. Green or red? 55% red. Wow. 50. 40. Both are good, but like 55. Wow. I mean, that's a massive number. Massive. Massive. Not so good. Okay, so on NQ today we are looking only for green and to the upside or red to the downside, which is looking to be a red one. I don't think we will flip in 3 minutes. And to do the best to go down all the way to there. I think we broke that. We might be stopping here on this pivot. So after this pivot, well, maybe some deep inside for 300s, but you know, we're gonna want to watch this. So there's lots of stops here, obvious reasons. Let's see. This is finally quite a nice range, in the sense that it's not super duper overextended, but obviously it's not the smallest one. So, like yesterday. Oh my God, we have that on the edge of 2 contracts. Little flip and we're doomed. Okay, so we are planning to put the, okay, 2.5 minutes. We are not stopping here, obviously. We came back, we have something. It's good that we came back. Maybe we will not come back anymore here if we start to drop. If we drop here, it's not a far away drop, but we do not know what's gonna happen. Obviously, this is we had a few wins in a row, which puts us like yesterday to that was Monday. Both of them except I didn't take that. That was 1 win, 1 loss, 1 win, 1 loss, 1 win, 1 loss, 1 win, 1 loss, 1 win, 1 loss. So this is more than 45% by any means, by any shape or form. The ones that I took are also more than 50%. More than like 60 maybe. So good to have that, but not good to have. Oh, right. Yeah. The one now I remember. One thing that I need to back test, if for instance this one I'm trading only red shorts, okay? But what if it crosses here, it doesn't go to my target, it drops down through here and triggers that one? So is it still a legit trade, or am I taking that or not? That is the big question. So I'll have to go through a lot of trades again one more time, and to see if those times when it's a red negative or green negative. I mean red there or green there. Will those things be profitable or not? Okay, it's a weird combination because we still have two lots, and we should be able to put that order in right there. Good. So that was a rush to the downside. Let's see if we can continue that, because I think I will get triggered in. I need not to screw up. It's for probably something like that. when it happens so fast, I sometimes think that it's just run for stops and that it's gonna fade out and that not will continue for as long as I want to. But we'll see. It's exactly on 350. So 400s, are they holding? Wow, that's a quick drop. That's a quick drop, but yet again, we have no edge whatsoever on if we want to hold or one, two here, one, two here, and one, two here, and this one is going to be this. Wow. Okay, that is like, so what's the chance of it coming back to here? From here to here? I don't know. We don't know. We're gonna have to see. The ES might find something to bounce off right here. Also NQ might find these pivots to bounce off, and also these things, they are bouncy. They are bouncy. Wow, look at this flush. So now it begs the question, is it, was it what, 80% still? Do we want to move by stop loss right now? That is the question. And if it touches pivot, I'm moving my stop loss to half of it. Below that. Okay, touched my pivot, which is fine. Now the question is, should I take off this or not? That was one push, one more push. That is actually 90%. Actually, that's 90%. And I want to take out the order because it's so close to me that it's just getting scary. That is, will pull up like it did yesterday all the way to here, and I will get nothing out of this trade. Ah, damn it. Okay, so that was one hell of a push. Let's see if we can actually squeeze a little bit more and continue to the downside. But it looks like they want to wiggle right here, but okay, let's forget about it. I'm just trading my strategy, okay? I know it's a big flush, yes, has a lot of stops right there, and we might have that little squeeze to the downside one more time actually, because if he has drops through there with speed, that's the third attempt. We are somehow still bits bouncing here. Oh my god, this is annoying because on such an extension on the open, we might see a fucking huge pullback to the previous place. 400s, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and even more is in play, and my stop is right here, I know, somewhere in the middle. Ah, man, this is tough, and we might get that fucking pullback right now. We might get that fucking pullback right now that I don't want to have. No, that's pullback. Okay, yes, kind of thinking about one more push to the downside, which is really good for me. Really. Fuck! Come on, man! Oh man, if that is not touching the 300s, then I'm dumb. Oh, come on, man. Thank you. Oh, thank you. And now on ES. Today, actually, it's not really a good day in probability terms because we have today 40%-ish chance. Red has more percentage, green has kind of shitty ass percentage. Oh man, that attempt to do it twice. So this is ridiculous. So below, everything is below. Let's type it down. We have Thursday below, red, yes, 1.2. I mean, look, there's no follow through, 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 no follow through. Okay, lots of follow through. Twice follow through, right? No. Okay, huge one and lots of losses. But I mean what I mean that okay, we might be still going down. Let's see daily. Yeah, so we touched that pivot, but probably we're going in for this one. I'm assuming this, because also the S has room to go down, and that's what I'm betting on today on a kind of huge red day, and maybe after that bounce here, and so now we're starting a trend to the downside. Okay, so we're still rolling down. Good, nice. What problem we have here? The problem is actually that we are kind of very huge extension, like super meta extension, which puts us on school run. No, okay, so like this run of like this week, 4 wins in a row. That is exceptional, exceptional luck, considering we had before shitty ass like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losses. What? Look, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Did this one was where I screwed up? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one, the one that I screwed up. 7, 8. 8 trades in a row because I screwed this up. Oh wow, it's still rolling down. Black Thursday, Black Thursday. Nevertheless, okay, so the probability of a green candle working out today is kind of shitty ass on ES. That's first thing. Second thing is to continue dropping. Oh wow, it's almost already 1.5, definitely 1.7 maybe, right? So maybe we'll have a runner today. Oh wow. Oh wow. Here, then here, maybe here. Well, we don't know, right? So will we take the trade? Now I'm thinking like Maybe I have 4 wins in a row. Like, what is the possibility to have a fifth win in a row? Let me tell you, I haven't been there. Like, for instance, even if we take all the trades, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, but okay, let's do this final. So this is these two, okay? So these are the finals ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got some possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So when the market is moving, it's moving, right? So and it's moving. If it's moving in good direction, it has a good like not this curve affiliation. So then it's good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I mean, 3 is very repetitive. 4 happened. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not. It's 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 happened like yearly, on yearly basis. One, two, one, two, one, two, 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So last November it happened. One. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. I mean, 3 is an option for is a rarity, and 5 is an exception. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 happened already also sometimes. So I'm just curious. Will my 40, 40, 41, 42-ish probability will bring us 5 in a row or not? So I mean, it's gonna be super duper hard to put a trade tomorrow. If we win that, I mean, I will have no faith. Like, look, like 5 already this week, except I didn't took that. Like mass 5 this week. You get the week where you have, for instance, 1, 5, 6, 7 losses. Now you're getting 5 wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, there was a worse week, I think. When I started trading, yeah. Oh yeah, I missed all these wins. I got only some. Okay, so whatever. This is a very good run. Statistically, it's a close to impossible run. Okay, so you know how hard it is to try to take a trade right now. That's super duper. Okay, so that's like 303, and we have that was close to what 1.8. That 1 point even 1.5 or so. So that's a big runner. Now we are having a blast on green negative, they're the worst. That's what I can tell you. Green negatives are the worst, but in this case, I don't know. Like, it looks like we could have a runner here and then drop and then again continue to the downside. Maybe that's how a green negative would work. But we are probably heading to this area, I suppose. We went here through this one. That was the liquidity on. That was, by the way, nothing because that was a day off. That was a day off. We could exclude that, but we will not. But what I want to see is, did we run to Monday's value area high, POC, TPO? Yeah, so this is where we're stopping. So we went to Monday's area, right? But the Monday's low is right here. So if we do not produce a huge candle, like you could stop right here, obviously. We might see a squeeze enough, good enough for us to continue to the downside, right? For Mondays and this pivot and 600s, that's a number to be looking for. Unfortunately, what might happen is that when we have tickety tickety tick, lots of tickety tickety ticks, I'm thinking we want to just take a, oops, no, wrong. Take a look at 5 minutes and volume decrease. What's the volume? Decrease up. We're okay, so we're in half of that. We're also low on volume, but the problem is right now that we're having a big range. Other than that, I would consider shorts again from some type of area or break of the bottom. What? So that is recovering, and that was also like yesterday's stupidity when we went down good, then up, and we'll. I don't know. That was, yeah, but like that was sideways, mother. Whatever. Let's look today. Big volume shelf. We have still 6 minutes left. I don't have faith. This is the worst, I don't have faith in this trade, and but I know that my everything, what my strategy and shit like that is supposed to be just to take the trade, and NQ is pushing up, which is like amazingly bad. Let's do it again on 15, and we don't care anything about else. We wanna start measuring 68 ticks. That's 68 ticks. So over risking, right? 68 ticks over risking. Maybe we could flip that to red and continue. That would be amazing. That would be all I want because I have bigger probability in reds today than in greens. But we'll take whatever. Maybe it's also good for comeback. Buy the dip. Buy the freaking dip. Okay, so we're going a little bit. Few ticks is alright. Few ticks is alright, but we still have 4 minutes, so my few ticks might get to a little bit over few ticks. Even like 60 or 75 will be perfect. Even 80 probably would be more appropriate for me, but like 80 tick. I mean, okay, the ranges are big these days, because volatility, volume is not bad. What's that volume? Yeah, volume is good. Today's good volume, and there's no huge spreads. Okay, we're pushing up, right? We are what? We're bouncing to the invisible line, which is crazy, which is super crazy. And what we want to do is we want to have that on 3. And we also, what we want to do is be very, 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 very precise and very exact, because I don't want to get caught in something else. And here we go. We are 3 minutes in. It's good that we might have another shelf. Okay, so more bigger. So that's half of my and 80 something, like still 3, still 3, still 3. Okay, good. Pull back. That was a good run. Nothing happened. Okay. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and counting. We had that run. No follow through. Green negative. Not a lot of chance. Even less chance for green positives. You might be bouncing in this area and drifting, not recovering to the VWAP. Okay, so 1.5 minutes. Oh boy. Okay. We are buying 3, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Buying and selling 3. Okay, see you later. trade for this and that again. Let's check 39, which puts us on 77, right? Yeah, that should be good. And that was only 2 ticks in, and we are pulling away from that, which is more than annoying. Like, what? Yes, come on, you're not supposed to act like that. Oh, I was dumb to think that I can have 5 trades